Hi Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for July the 18th to July the 20th. So Leo, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo doon sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Nagla-live din po tayo doon. No? Kung hindi kayo makaabot sa live, pwede kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. As usual, late na naman tayo, Leo. Alam niyo na kung bakit, pero hahabol tayo, no? Malapit na. So, tuloy pa rin ang manhunt. Ayan. At hindi lang kayo ang naghahanap. So, ang manhunt ay pinaghahanap na rin, no? Itong umi-istorbo sa atin. Pero Leo, ayan, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Leo, so ang nakikita ko dito parang sabihin natin, what you are doing is sort of mirroring, no? Kung ano yung pinapakita sa'yo, yun din ang ginagawa mo. Kasi usually, Leo, ewan ko kung anong pinakain sa'yo ng taong ito, no? Hindi ka naman ganito, pero parang sa kanya ka lang nabaliw ng ganito, no? Usually, you are on your feet. You are the person who leads, di ba? But now, it felt like you're under a spell. Ayan. So, kumbaga sa in layman's term, no, nagayuma tayo nito, whether it is in literal form or in metaphor, no. It felt like medyo na-manipulate tayo din in a way. Pero it doesn't matter how short period of time or how long, no, period of time na nagkaroon nga kayo ng ganyang or you were under a spell, sabihin natin. Pero now you're taking your power back. It kind of make me feel like, sabihin natin, it's not the material things that you are taking back. What you are taking back here is the, sabihin natin, itong peace of mind, no? Itong power natin mismo, no? Energetic, what I'm trying to say. What I am also seeing in here is hindi mo na hinahayaan, no? Na paulit-ulit tayo, no? Na nandun lang sa loop. Kasi what you want in here, it's either a yes or no, no? Are we going to be together? Do you still love me? Are we going to move this forward? If no, it's okay, no? Parang okay na ako. Just ko Leo pa ba, no? I think that your person actually knows what you're doing as well. I feel like meron tayong parang tennis game na naglalaro dito, no? Papalo ka, pagbibigyan ka niya, papalo siya, pagbibigyan mo siya. It's supposed to be a good match, no? Kung reciprocation lang ang nangyayari dito when it comes to love, that's a good energy. Pero it felt like this is sort of like a mind game, no? Itong kumbaga, mamanipulate kita tapos ikaw gusto mong kunin din kung ano yung or ibigay sa kanya, ibato sa kanya kung ano yung binibigay sa'yo. Knight of Wands, the Chariot, the Five of Swords, the King of Swords, and the Ten of Swords. So you're done with the dramas, no? Parang isang tanong, isang sagot, no? Kung ayaw, kung gusto, no? You're no longer, parang sinabi mo dito, I'm no longer gonna be manipulated, no? Parang ang sa akin, I'm standing on my ground, no? With the Five of Swords in here, parang also nakita mo na rin or nahuli mo na rin itong sabihin natin game niya, no? Kumbaga at last, no? Meron kang masasabi natin ditong alam ko ang laro mo ngayon with the Six of Pentacles and the Ten of Cups. So it kind of make me feel Six of Pentacles is a banter, no? Either this is you are being deprived or it's an equal give and take. So what I am seeing in here is an equal give and take of whatever it is. But I feel like since nahuli mo yung laro niya, Ten of Cups, you're the one who's going to lead because tapos na dito ang kanyang manipulation. No? Since alam mo na yung game, although may idea siya kung anong ginagawa mo, hindi niya makuha kung ano yung taktika mo. No? Get? So it felt like na naglalaro kayo ng chess pero nabasa mo na siya. Ikaw kasi, binabasa ka pa lang niya dahil iniba mo, no? Yung usual na gawa mo. So parang, uy, there's actually a lot of mind games in here with the King of Wands, the High Priestess, the Ten of Wands. Huh. And you also found out na itong, kumbaga, whatever is happening in your connection, whether it is, sabihin natin, yung mga bigat, no? Whether it is struggles, challenges, problema, na find out mo or you just found out na sinisisi sa'yo, no? Now hindi kasi this is a relationship, no? And relationship should be a two-way street, no? I also found out na itong mga bit-bit ko, meron kang contributions dito kaya tutulungan mo ako dito with the Four of Wands and the Magician. I feel like you are manifesting here a strong foundation, Ace of Wands, and the Five of Cups. So, busted. So, it felt like, no, kumbaga sa buy-bust operation, nahuli mo ang laro, nahuli mo ang suspect. With the Death card, speaking of huli, meron ng malapit. Death card and the Fool card. So, this is a new game. You are entering a new page, a new chapter of your connection, of your relationship. I feel like this connection is heading to a new level. So, kung laro pa rin ito, you're the game master now. Kung laro pa rin ito, you are on the level 2 now, no? O kung anong level pa yan. Kung dati siya ang game master, you outgrow, no? Or you outdo, no? Itong game master na to. With the Full card in here, what I'm seeing is, it also makes me feel that you pushed your person, kasi yung game mo ngayon, it's not just about you. It's for the benefit of yung connection ninyo. And you're pushing your person to be brave enough to sabihin natin magtiwala sa relasyon, magtiwala sa iyo, magtiwala especially sa sarili niya, no? So, napakaganda dahil what you are gaining in here is something really firm, doable, realistic. I think what you want also is to stop the game. So, binigay mo lang sa kanya for them to realize how it feels, to be under this situation, no? But I feel like this is a good match, no? Kung gagamitin lang ng tama, ay katulad ng sinabi ko yung reciprocation. So let's see here, the emotion. It could be your emotion or it could be your person's emotion. We were always meant to meet. It was written in the stars, and I love you to the moon and back a million times. So, makikita naman talaga natin na ang intensity ng relationship na ito. Katulad ng sabi ko, like moon and back, so parang pabalik-balik tayo, no? Nandun yung reciprocation. I feel like your person's just afraid to move the connection, into another level of commitment. So you're pushing your person to para sabihin sa kanya, no, it's okay, pwede mong pagkatiwalaan, no? Itong relationship natin. And I will always be here, to help you and guide you. So good job to you, no? Gemini, so tignan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Aries, Scorpio, Pisces, Leo, Cancer, Taurus, Scorpio. Yan, yep, yan ang iyong reading, no? Leo. So, napakakapwa Leo ito, no? Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of Leos in here. A lot of Leos and also, the fire signs, but technically it's Leo. So this is your reading, Leo. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan. And tuloy ang manhunt, katulad ng sabi ko, no? Nasa baba po yung mga links ng fake accounts. Ayan. Same screenshot then dun sa email, no, na ginawa ko. Ayan, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to hit the notification bell para po ma-notify kayo every time tayo nagla-live or nagre-release ng bagong video. Pwede kayong magtanong sa comment section, no, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So kung hindi naman po kayo, kung hindi ninyo, no, o hindi masasatisfy ang cravings ninyo sa yes or no na tanong, nasagot, sa description box din, nandun din po ang link ng aking website, no. Doon lang po ako mag-transact, no. Doon lang din kayo mag-transact in case that you wanted to, and if you want to book a personal reading, nandun din po yan. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you sa next reading po. Goodbye.